So in this Ndax tutorial, I will be showing you how to share your referral link with people here on Ndax. So once you guys open up Ndax, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom right and select on the icon that says settings. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down a little bit here to where it says additional, and then there's an option right here that says invite. Go ahead and select that option. Once invite is selected here, you're going to be able to invite and earn $15 Canadian for every verified user. And then you can go ahead below to where it says your referral link, and you can share that exact referral link with people, or you can go to the bottom and press share in order to share the link. So that is how you guys can share your referral link with people here on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.